Fuck you! Get the fuck out of here, you fat fuck! You're on camera, motherfucker!
I don't give a fuck. I didn't move. I didn't hit my fucking gas until after you went by.
Well, look. Okay, sir, calm down. I'm calm. Okay, sir, please calm down.
Touch my gas.
Okay.
No, you want to run your fucking cocksucker.
No, I'm trying to explain what it looked like from my perspective. I'm trying to explain.
My foot was on my goddamn brake till you went by.
Okay, it looked like
fucking shit
it
straight.
looked like
Get
when I'm
your
going
shit
by.
straight before you
Okay,
run your mouth
fuck
with
you.
somebody. Fuck me? You wouldn't want to fuck me like I make your mouth hurt your asshole for a little bit. Yeah, I'd go inside too, chump.
Yeah, fuck off.
Come fuck with me. Okay.